Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to change your name on Instagram. Updating your name helps keep your profile fresh and reflects your current identity or branding. So, let's get started on how to change your name on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of your screen. Now that you are on your profile page, you will see an option that says Edit Profile just below your bio. Tap on it to enter the profile editing mode. Here you can see the name section. Tap on it. Clear your current Instagram name by deleting the text and then type in the new name you would like to use. Now tap on the Done button from the top right corner of your screen. Finally, tap on the Change Name option to save the changes. And this is how you can change your name on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.